Hey guys, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we are putting Elicit AI and OpenAI head to head. Both of them are built to supercharge productivity and research, but they work in different ways. So which one is right for you? Let's break it down. When we look at their main focus, Elicit AI focuses on research workflow automation, while OpenAI focuses on deep, multi-step reasoning for insights. Now, if we look at their ease of use, Elicit AI has a simple dashboard for students and analysts, while OpenAI Deep Research has AI-powered assistants with advanced query handling. When we look at their AI strengths, Elicit AI has literature reviews, data extraction, and summarization, while OpenAI synthesizes information across millions of sources. When we look at the price, Elicit AI has a free basic plan and also has premium plans, while OpenAI has premium plans and enterprise ready. When we look at what they're best for, Elicit AI is best for students, researchers, and finance analysts, while OpenAI is best for businesses, policymakers, and in-depth investigation. When we look at the output style, what kind of output do you get out of it? So Elicit AI gives you clear reports and structured insights, while OpenAI gives you comprehensive, expert-level deep dives. In conclusion, Elicit AI is like having a smart research assistant. It pulls insights, summarizes papers, and speeds up your workflow. OpenAI Deep Research, on the other hand, is more like a team of analysts rolled into one. It digs deeper, connects dots across huge data sets, and delivers expert-level findings. So if you want faster research and productivity, go with Elicit AI. But if you need serious, high-level, deep analysis, then OpenAI Deep Research is a powerhouse. Which one would you pick? Elicit AI or Deep Research? Drop your choice in the comments, hit the like button and subscribe for more smart comparisons. See you in the next video.